everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a watch me work for you today. It is doing gel builder infills. So I'm pretty sure that these were on for around 4.5, maybe 5 weeks. And apart from a little chip on the index finger, they are all still absolutely perfect. First off, I come in and just push the cuticle back using Doris from Navy Pro, and once I've done that, I'm then using the penultimate bit from Willow Academy. It is one of my favourite Efile bits to use, and I just take off all of the colour in the nail art, just so that it takes me back to a thin base of the builder. So I'll let you watch. So once I removed all of the colour, I then begin my prep work. So this is the Anastasia bit, again from Willow Academy. I am obsessed with this Efile bit. It is just, I don't know what it is about it, but it is so precise, and I could not live without this Efile bit now. So yeah, I use that, and then I will go both ways, and then I will dust off and remove the dead cuticle using my Navy Pro Katy nippers, and yeah. So once I've done all my cuticle prep and I'm completely happy with it, I then come in with a 240 grit file. I'm just gently shaping, and I'll kind of refine over the builder, prepare the new natural bit of nail ready for gel application. As well as filing and prepping the nail, I also like to go underneath with a 240 buffer and just remove any of the little bits that are stuck. I can't stand it when the little bits do stick underneath, so I just like to make sure that I remove all of that. Then I'm coming in with my nail prep to dehydrate the nail, ready for application. So in this video I am using CJP's Bob Builder, and it is in the colour This Little Piggy. It is my absolute favourite. The nude colour of it is just gorgeous, and my clients love it, especially for this kind of design where I'm using the base as a background for the nail art. So yeah, it's a little bit sped up, but you kind of get the gist of it. So yeah. So first off, I like to come in and apply just a bit of a slip layer over all of the nails. I will pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds, and once that's come out, I then apply a little bit more product to kind of build up the strength of where the nail will need it. So once that's come out of the lamp, as I said, I'm then going to apply a little bit more product, applying more of it on the apex area and just making sure that the nail has got the added strength that it needs. And once I'm happy with that, I will cure again for 60 seconds and then we will jump into the nail art. Once I'm happy with the application of the builder, I then take off the tacky layer, refine the product a little bit more, remove the dust, and then I will begin to paint and add the nail art. So I'm using this colour from CJP. It is Blue Jade and it is an absolutely beautiful colour. I'm just adding a thin coat to the middle finger and the index finger, also the thumb, and the ring finger and the little finger I will be leaving nude on the right hand, and on the left hand it will be the index and the middle finger that we will be doing the nail art to. I have only included one hand because it's exactly the same on the other side. So yeah, I just thought I would just show the one hand and it's just mirrored for the other one. I also just wanted to say, please excuse my nails, they are absolutely horrendous. Since being back at work, I have not found the time to do them, as I'm sure you will all feel exactly the same. But yeah. So once that's cured and comes out the lamp, I'm going to apply my second layer. I am using Foil Me from Sparkles Supply UK. As I mentioned in my previous video, I did also get the foil from Shein. They are amazing. I truly cannot fault the foils from Shein. They have been working amazing with my clients and they have been lasting super wow. The Foil Me gel was recommended to me by Beauty Matters by Beth. We talked quite a lot and I did ask her advice and she told me about the foil gel, and now I will not use anything else. It is just amazing. So yeah, that's it really. I'm just going to let you watch. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more, and press the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, bye.